Okay guys, in this video we are going to set up Go into our machine. So the first thing we need is editor to write our code, and second thing we need is Go compiler, and finally we put these two together and configure our editor to run Go code. Now for this series we are going to use VS Code as our editor. VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. It is developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is one of the most popular editor and used by many developers. So first thing we need to do is to download this, and if you have not already, go to visualstudiocode.com and I will leave the link in description and download it for whatever operating system you are using. In my case it is for Mac. So once you download this, then what we gonna do is head over to Golang website and go ahead and select one that matches with our operating system. Here once you start installing Go, please make sure you add Go to path. Now it should do this automatically, but please verify that you have installed Go by typing Go version in your terminal and confirm that the command prints the installed version of Go. Now that we have installed Go, let us see how we can configure it with our editor. Over here in VS, I have Golang folder open. Now before we create any file, let's install Go extension from the marketplace by holding Command Shift X key and go ahead and search for Go. When we do that, an official package from Microsoft pops up and we need to install it. Notice I have already installed it. Now I am going to show you how we can actually write our first Go program and print out hello world. So first thing we gonna do is define our package main, and we'll talk more about packages later in this series. Now import module called FMT. FMT is a standard module. You gonna import it in almost all Go programs. What it allows you to do is print things out into the console. Now we gonna define our main function, which is entry point to our program. To define main function, we gonna write func main and open and closing curly brackets like this. Now inside this function, we gonna type fmt.println, and inside it, we gonna type hello world in double quotation. That is pretty much. Now to run our hello world program, open terminal by pressing Ctrl plus backtick and type go run hello world.go. And this will print out hello world into our console. And sometimes we want to build our programs into binaries. We can do this by typing go build hello world.go, and we can then execute the built binary directly by typing /hello world, and this will again print out hello world in our console. Now that we can run and build basic Go programs, let's learn more about the language in next video. So thank you for watching.